Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I started a new thing this week because of a person, and I want to give credit where credit is due. It is Nicole Relax.Cut.Glue. Came across the video. I've been catching up trying to watch a lot of channels because winter's here and I'm not as busy. And she does Twinchie Tuesday. And I've done the little Twinchies, but I never thought of doing them like this. And she has this book, and I will link her channel in the description box below. Go over and see what she does, because hers look really, really good. I think mine, I don't know. We'll see what people think. Please be positive for me. But the book is this, and this is what's cool. It already comes with the squares. It's off Amazon. I think I paid I can tell you. It wasn't that expensive in my opinion. Oh, what did I pay for this? Let's see. I think it was less than $6. Let's see. There it is. I'm gonna do it again. $5.29. So that wasn't bad. $5.29. So what I did last night, I went to bed at like 10 o'clock. And I was back up by midnight, just wide awake. It's like I had a power nap. So, what do? You come down here. Came down here, and I decided to work on this. I already had one page done in it, but I decided to do my cover. So all I did is take some of Jane Davenport's paper. I went through, Diane Weekly, my bad. I have 3 of her books, which sit here collecting dust. I'll tell you. So, I'm going to use it. That's what I did. Yeah, I think we do that a lot. I went and just tore some pages out and cut them to size. I did the front. It's a little wonky. I did the back. And then washi tape. So then we go the first cut inside. It's just this. And there we go, and I just put this here because I didn't like the looks of it. So this is the one I did, my first one. And I did Christmas, of course. And I got the little snowman, cardinal little elf feet, merry and bright, the Christmas tree, an ornament, a stamp. He's the reason for the season, and then little gingerbread people and a house, December 25th, a snowman, a pickup truck, gotta get a red truck in there. Stock in it says Merry Christmas, little elf, Santa and an elf, ho ho ho. Christmas tree with some candy canes on. Santa coming out of the chimney. Oh, I forgot what that's called. You guys know. Another little thing it says, 'tis the season to be jolly. A nutcracker, Santa's helpers and some elves, a snowy Mary, and a little snow globe. Poinsettia leaves. There we go, I believe. So that's my first one. I kind of did 3, guys. Now, I noticed Nicole, and I meant to ask her and I forgot. She only does, I noticed when I was watching her videos, she only does one side. She doesn't do this side, and I don't know why. But I did. So I did this one also. Maybe to keep them separate, I'm guessing. But I guess it's alright. So I got an elf, a stocking, skates, bells, little snowman. And then on this side. So I'm thinking the reason she doesn't do this side after I did this last night or this morning is so it only on one page it doesn't flow. But I think I think it's okay. Who knows? I may do both sides, I may not. Because I like her attitude. Whoops. She said to do what you want, go with the flow, So, and this is my 3rd one. And I'm done with doing Christmas. I had it all out, so I thought I might as well. So there's that one. So we got a Christmas camel, a little bear with a seal, a sweater, a wreath, and some snowflakes, a little penguin. It says fa la 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 la. A little deer dancing. It says Christmas, Merry Christmas. A little fox, a gnome, little mittens, another snowflake, gingerbread. I wanted to use these gingerbread up so bad, and these little plastic little elves that I have over here on them. I only had like that. What you see on here is what I had left, and I'm like, you know what, I'm using it. So candy canes. I put that wreath in the center there. I thought it was cool. A poinsettia, little polar bear, some Christmas trees. Santa. It says, "Oh dear Santa, did you just hear?" And then a snow globe, a leaf, a little bear with a sweater and his Christmas wishes, a little gnome, a snowman, a stocking. It says their stockings are up, and then a unicorn. Oh, I just took off the unicorn's one leg. Well, he's no longer needed. He's got 4 legs. So there's the unicorn with a gift on its back. So that's that one. I had fun. I can't wait to work on another one. And I think I will probably continue on this, and then, you know, continue. And I'm like, it makes me use my washi. I've come to realize I better start using my washi because I had to glue. Well, this one is not washi. This is actually paper I did for the border. But this one, oops, I keep losing that snowflake. I had to glue the washi tape down. It's losing it sticky because I don't use my washi tape. It's so old. So, but I looked up where I'm like, I said to myself last night, I know I have more washi, and I looked up and it's hanging from a ring over here. But it's still not the washi I was looking for, because I have thin washi, very thin washi like this, on a ring itself, and I can't find it. It's not in my suitcase. Because I took a little makeup suitcase from years ago, and I mixed media it, and it stores all my washi. Well, and I also didn't use glue stick because that big glue stick was driving me crazy. So I was using my little glue I have. So it might be a little stiff. But I am going out and about in a little while because I have this glue stick. But it's so sticky. So I'm going to pick me up some other glue when I'm out. Because my husband's taking me out and about today. He's actually on his last run, and I can go to the Dollar Tree. So I want to, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, Nicole. I left a message asking her, can anybody join into this? And she's like, more the merrier. So there we go. So I will have her channel, Nicole Relax.Cut.Glue, and man, does she had a lot of them. She's really good at this kind of thing. Because what I did when I wasn't feeling good the other day. I keep having headaches. So I think it's because of the change in the weather here in Wisconsin. So I was sitting in my chair in the living room, and I put her on, and I just let her keep going. And I'm like, her pages and her little ATC cards they're really good. So kudos. I mean, it's really cool to look at somebody's and be inspired. Because I'll be honest with you, I told Sabrina and Kathy this. I said, you know how writers get writer block? I'd come in my craft room and I'd be like, I don't know what I want to do. I needed something to get creative again, and I just had a block. And then I watched Nicole, and I'm like, you know what? There we go. You got me going. So thank you, Nicole. So I'm going to let you guys go. I've been yapping long enough. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. And as always, I'm trying to get my hair. Does that look straighter? I hope this looks straight. No. See my camera. I don't know, guys. My camera. Is that better? Well, I hope it's better. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. As you realize, I don't edit.